Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to use flashlight or increase flashlight brightness in your iPhone 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Example, I'm in my lock screen and I would like to use flashlight. So whenever you click this flashlight icon, it's going to immediately on the light. You can see here this device flashlight is on. So anytime if you want to off the flashlight, so simply put your finger here and this device is going to off the flashlight. Now you can also another way to on your flashlight, simply swipe like this and then you will find here flashlight. So when you click that, a flashlight is going to be immediately turned on. If you want to off, you can do so. But let me share to another how you can adjust the brightness or make more brighter your flashlight in your iPhone 11. For that, go same way and then here you will see flashlight, simply long press over there and it will give you option like this. Now whatever brightness you click here, this flashlight giving you more brightness. You can see now it's more. If I make it less, it will come it less. So whatever if you need to adjust the flashlight brightness, you can do so. So this is how you can make a brighter flashlight in your iPhone 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.